Welcome everyone to Project Protein. I'm Jason Catalano, and on this channel we're all about a high protein diet. For this video we're going to be going over a cranberry cream gingerbeer protein smoothie, also known as the Ron Weasley #1. Alright, so just give a bit of an overview for this protein smoothie. It's named after Ron Weasley, obviously from Harry Potter, best friend of Harry Potter all throughout the series, and this is in his honor. And the way I like to look at this smoothie is cranberry and cream with a little bit of extra pop and a little bit of extra complexity from the ginger beer. So definitely just like Ron Weasley, Gingerbeer. He's a redhead, ginger, yeah, get it. But anyway, it's also coming with cranberry, which is a little bit of tart, and then you get the cream to really fill it out. Very much kind of like Ron Weasley, you know, especially the cranberry here, the main flavor. It's really, really good in terms of like antioxidants. It's a superfood that way. Really good for lowering blood pressure, really, really healthy, but it is a little bit on the bitter, sour, tart side. And I think Ron kind of is like that way too in the series, where it's kind of an acquired taste. I think that he's definitely matures. As you get more matured into the series, you definitely appreciate, you know, what Ron brings. So I think cranberries are kind of that way. As you get older, you definitely feel like cranberries are definitely a little bit better. Next, you have the Coffee Mate creamer here. You can utilize any other creamer you want. This is just the original. It definitely plays well with the cranberry, basically cranberry and cream. This brings a fullness to the smoothie, and then it's also gonna make it nice and thick. And then the big kind of flavor here is the ginger beer. You can definitely find this anywhere. Ginger beer, it's not actual alcoholic or anything. It's just basically they brew it with the ginger. And so the ginger is gonna give a nice kind of sweetness. It's gonna give a pop, kind of like a soda would give you a little bit of a pop of acidity and everything. And it really makes the cranberry have a little bit more complexity than just a sourness to the cranberry. So with that, let's make it. Alright, so I'm definitely getting cranberry as the main flavor. Because we added a little bit of the 0-calorie sugar in it, it's not quite as sour or tart. You could certainly add a little bit more just because it is still a little bit sour. But cranberry definitely coming in full effect. And you definitely feel the cream in this one for the fullness. It really does feel like a cranberry cream style smoothie where it feels kind of rich, thick, cranberry, a little bit of tartness, and then the creamer kind of really makes it feel full, makes it feel like a really good breakfast smoothie. And then out of nowhere, the ginger beer kind of more towards the end brings a little bit of that little kick of the ginger beer and a little bit of that kind of pop. So it's not just a real basic smoothie. I would definitely say it's mostly gonna be not quite as sour of a cranberry cream type smoothie with a little bit of ginger kick. And then for me at least, I like to think you can add something like some protein oats or some of the protein pancake mix. This is from Kodiak Cakes, but these would, you know, if you add about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, you can get a little bit more of a fuller style of smoothie, especially the protein oats. I think would make it feel a little bit more full effect. Get a little bit extra protein with those, and that this particular smoothie, if you want to get a little bit extra calories in for a breakfast smoothie, that's what I would do for it. And with that, I would definitely say if you are looking at the fall or winter time, if you're looking for a good cranberry type smoothie, you're gonna love the Ron Weasley #1. Thanks for staying tuned all the way to the end of the video. I definitely appreciate it. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button if you want to get more high protein recipes like this. And let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, what you think about the Ron Weasley #1, what would you change about it, and what other type of videos do you want to see on this channel, as I'm gonna make them for you guys. Thanks, definitely appreciate it.